How to find hotspot password on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find hotspot password on your iPhone. Now before we start, if you guys are new to app hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. First, you'll need to make sure that your mobile data is turned on. For that, simply head over to your control panel, go to your connectivity settings, and then tap on cellular data. After you do that, you can head over to your settings. You can turn on your cellular data from your settings too. After you're here, you can either tap on personal hotspot directly or tap on cellular, turn on your cellular data, and then tap on personal hotspot from there. After you're here, under personal hotspot, you'll see your Wi-Fi's password. Now this is your hotspot's password. So you can tap on it and you can simply copy the password if you want to, or you can change the password too. After you're done, that is how you find hotspot password on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.